The Air Jordan 1 High Vault Golds. Let's talk about it. This video is sponsored by the good people over at Addict. Addict is the fastest and most reliable iOS bot. They support over 85 sites including Adidas, Supreme, Yeezy, Undefeated, Kith, Bape, and many more. Addict very rarely restock, and when they do, they sell out almost immediately. And for the best chances of securing your copy of Addict, make sure to sign up at addict.io to get an instant notification on when they do restock. You can also click the link in the description to sign up. They will only have a certain amount of copies before the next bot will sell out, so make sure you are quick when you are notified when they are back in stock. Now let's get on with the video. What is going on, you guys? I'm Salvador. Welcome back to another investment predictions video, and this time the sneaker of the day is going to be the Air Jordan 1 High Vault Gold. Now I didn't make a how to cop guide just because I was taking a little bit of a break, but now I'm back and in full force talking about some of the greatest sneakers that we'll be releasing throughout 2021. And if you like more of these videos, subscribe and like the video, you know you want to. Back to the topic. The Air Jordan 1 High Vault Golds, they did release quite recently, I think yesterday, depending on when this video is coming out, on the 9th of January 2021. And Jordan Brand is going to be kicking off 2021 with a banger because these sneakers are pretty fire. And I'm sure that a lot of you guys are agreeing with me right now. Not only does the Air Jordan 1 High Vault Gold feature some elements of the Air Jordan 1 Black Toe High, but it also features some new detailing that I've noticed that Jordan Brand has been experimenting with when it comes to the Air Jordan 1. They've been doing some new designs with like outlines of the key detail parts, and for this instance, it's the reversal of the nylon tongue tag. They've been making it, I think, rubberized right now, and it's like in reverse, and also the wings logo, that little panel over there, they've like, you know, had that stitched, and it does look pretty much different. So there are some new elements inside such a modern remake and rendition of the Air Jordan 1. They haven't changed a lot, but I do think that in the future they're going to adopt some sort of ways to make the Air Jordan 1 look even more crazy, because Air Jordan 1's Nike Dunks, like, you know, Nike's been killing it this year, and I think that they want to get out of their comfort zone and start experimenting with other ways to sort of bring more life and more experimentation into what the Air Jordan 1 can be. It's such a culturally impactful sneaker, and I do think that Jordan Brand is making the right decision and playing by those cards. Anyway, without a doubt, the sneaker is super colorful. There's a lot of hints of yellow, different shades of yellow as well. And I know with Air Jordans, I always talk about if a sneaker is wearable or not, and this is kind of debatable because on one hand, it sort of is out there, but it is nice and fun to mix around with different outfits and style them together, which I think is what makes the Air Jordan 1 such an amazing sneaker in sort of mainstream fashion. It's sort of been adopted. It's a nice sneaker to style, you know, style up with, you know, high fashion outfits, and also style down and dumb it down with, like, you know, casual streetwear outfits as well. There is sort of no rules when it comes to styling Air Jordan 1, so no matter what colorway it is, I'm sure that a ton of people out there, a ton of sneakerheads, a ton of fashion enthusiasts are going to find a use for any colorway. I've had a day to look at the resale prices of these sneakers, and obviously they aren't going to be stabilizing like instantly. There is going to be a bit of, like, you know, fluctuations in the market right now, but they are selling for a bit over retail. I think they're going for around 200 USD in America, and then that equates to around 280 Australian dollars here. But yeah, that is pretty normal and standard with, like, you know, the past colorways of the Air Jordan 1s. Since this isn't as sought after as other colorways like the mochas or the court purples, it is still nevertheless an Air Jordan 1, and I do think that there is some value towards them. I know that a lot of people didn't have any trouble copying these for retail, which is good if you guys wanted to wear them or even flip them for lunch money, but I do think that this sneaker is going to be a lunch money release, but I do think it has the potential to go up in the near future, because I remember the last time Air Jordan tried to implement new designs or new detailing into the Air Jordan sneakers. That was around 2019 when the Turbo Greens released. Nobody liked them. Everyone thought that they were bricks, and then now look at where they are now. They're around averaging $700 sale prices in Australia, so that is absolutely amazing. And I do think that, you know, with these sort of new sneakers, new takes on Air Jordan 1s, and, you know, with new detailing, and it's not entirely OG, I do think that these have the potential for the long term. Obviously these aren't going to be a quick flip to double the return on your investment, but I do think that if you hold these, they will have the potential potential to go up in the near future because, you know, it is an Air Jordan 1. It is a nice and decent colorway. And, you know, people who just rock with yellow would rock these. There haven't been that many yellow Air Jordan 1 sneakers out there, so I'm really excited. And to see all of the new detailing that Jordan Brand has to offer. So yeah, it is pretty different from the norm of what we're used to when it comes to OG Air Jordan 1 releases. We're usually used to seeing just the standard Air Jordan 1 silhouette with some color blocking in there, maybe some OG color blocking, and then, you know, it hitting the shelves and then it selling out instantly and then it being resold for twice what retail price is. But I think this is just a nice and calm lunch money release. It isn't that crazy. No one's like, you know, stampeding Foot Lockers to go and get these. It is a nice sneaker to rock. It is a nice sneaker to pick up if you are just starting to get into sneakers and you know that the Air Jordan 1s are the sneaker to buy. So yeah, without a doubt, it's a nice release, but I don't think it's the most profitable release of 2021. I highly don't believe that. But, you know, if you did cop for retail, if you did cop for under retail, it is a nice flip. You will be getting a return back. As for where I see these sneakers going, I would recommend investing in the smaller sizes, like around size 5 to 7, just because those are the most popular sizes and the most profitable. They're averaging prices of around 350 to 380 Australian dollars, which is very good, but I wouldn't recommend buying the larger sizes as they are so saturated and they sell for around 250 to 280, so the profit margins aren't as high over there. But, you know, do as you wish, but I do think that they will reach, I do think that the smaller sizes will reach around 400 and the larger sizes will reach around 300 to 350. Time will tell, but I do think that with past Air Jordan 1 releases, these will only go up over time. It is a nice colorway without a doubt, but yeah, I would love to hear your thoughts on the sneaker. Do you think it's a cop or a drop? Are you going to be working these for personals, or is it a nice lunch money flip? But yeah, that's all for me. I'll catch you guys in another video. Thank you all so much for watching. Please make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and yeah, I'll catch you guys next time. Take care. Peace out.